Good day everyone and welcome to African Spirituality and Science. I still remain a digital priest, Agwu. Please before I continue, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video and comment. Please turn on to the notification icon below to receive notification anytime I upload new videos on my YouTube channel. On today's program, I'll be talking about Agwu, a particular Igbo energy or deity called Agwu. Agwu is an energy, a strong energy in Igbo land. Every human has an Agwu. So Agwu is just like a destiny helping spirit. The deity, the energy behind your calling, the energy behind one talent, one gift, one's calling. Yeah. So in Igbo land, when it comes to Igbo, not only Igbo land, in Africa, you will see a child right from his childhood. The child starts constructing, maybe fixing of electronics, or trying to use mud sand to build those little houses. You see the child calling. Some of them at their age, they start singing. That is what we call Agwu. The spirit behind that talent and gift is Agwu. But Igbo people, due to religion, people tend to see when you have someone that you have Agwu, person will say Holy Ghost fire. But the truth is that everyone has Agwu, not only DBS. Not only the DBS, the spiritual that has Agwu. Every one of us has his or her Agwu. Agwu is the deity or energy behind your calling. When you have gifts to sing, when you sleep and wake up, you have inspiration to sing. The Agwu, like Whiskey, Davido, these are Igbo musicians, Osadebe, Morocco, they have Agwu of Agwu, music gifts. Is this Agwu, this destiny helping spirit that gave them that inspiration to sing. All the engineers today, they have Agwu that gave them that talent. People that construct, that builders, they have Agwu. Same as the DBS. Agwu is the DBS that did divination, that is Alpha, that cast divinations. Is that Agwu in them that make them understand the language of the spirit? Same DBS that has Agwu to treat people. Is that destiny helping spirit called Agwu that when they sleep, they'll come to their dream, take them to the forest, to the bush, and start showing them herbs and their uses. When they wake up, they'll go and pluck the herbs. Same as people that have Agwu to use roots to treat people. Some people that have Agwu to sing. Some people have Agwu to carve, art, to mold, carve sculptures. Agwu. Some people have Agwu for fashion, to do design, all sort of designers' wears, clothes. Agwu is the spirit behind these talents. So when you leave your calling and be doing another thing, it will not work for you, because that Agwu you have, if you have Agwu for singing and you went ahead and maybe open business, be doing buying and selling, that helping spirit does not know how to buy or sell. You see that the helping spirit will start disturbing you, going up, going down. You will start asking, is it not the same buying and selling my mate are doing and they are progressing? It's because of that is not your calling. That Agwu cannot buy and sell. They don't have the gift. That is not the gift they gave it to you. So when you leave your calling, your destiny, your gifts, and be doing something else, you will not prosper. You will not progress in that. Because as we have different type of gift, we have different type of destiny helping spirits that accompany us. When the destiny helping spirit of to become a DB, and you leave it to go and be become an engineer, it will not work. They will keep disturbing you till you come back to that your particular calling. Many people are suffering today because they left their calling, they left their gifts and doing something else. So everyone needs to go and seek for divination help to know the gifts, the calling he or she has. A lot of people are in pain today, only in poverty, because they don't know they left their calling for something else. Everyone has Agwu, destiny helping spirits. And when you institute this Agwu, commune with this Agwu, venerate this Agwu, activate this Agwu, you will see that gift will come into you. They will be coming to you in your dreams to tell you how to go about that your particular gift for it to become prosperous. Not only a DB need to institute his or her, everyone need to institute his or her Agwu. There are people that have talent for cooking, that no matter how little the condiment for the food is, when you eat the food, you enjoy it and you ask people to cook this food. There are people that have gifts to cook, people that have gifts to plant, that is anything that they plant will surely yield fruit. Those helping spirits will make sure that it's yield fruit. It's just helping spirit that make sure that that's your calling come into existence, to explore your calling for you. But before they explore that calling, before that calling come into existence, before you activate that calling fully, you need to institute this Agwu, this destiny helping spirit. So everyone need to stop seeing Agwu as a bad energy. They have Agwu, they have Uluagwu. Uluagwu is the bad side of Agwu. So when you institute your Agwu, you institute the Uluagwu, the bad side of Agwu. So the bad Agwu will not disturb your calling. As an Igbo man, go and institute your Agwu. After drawing down your chi on Ekwesi, the next thing you need to do is to institute your Agwu. So that calling you have, you excel in it. When you have calling for sing, you explore the world. When you have calling to become an engineer, you become one of the best engineers. I don't want to make long videos because of data. Data is expensive now, so people will be able to watch the video. So everybody needs to institute the Agwu. We have types of Agwu. You have Agwu for divination. We have Agwu for farming. We have Agwu for music. We have Agwu for fashion and design. We have Agwu for engineering. We have Agwu for arts. We have Agwu for science. Different types of Agwu, different types of calling. Because Agwu is the destiny helping spirit, is the energy behind your calling. So everyone should go and institute their Agwu. That is all for today. This is what I was talking for today. I don't want to make this video long. I still remain a teacher. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video, invite your friends, comment. Thank you. See you next time.